So today we're gonna try to get rid of this disaster, this mistake. I know it doesn't look bad on camera, but this is not what I wanted at all. This is what I wanted and this is what I got. So now I'm just gonna try to get my original color back. So this is my natural hair color and this is what I'm trying to go for. So I cut my hair really short. They did not the best job with layers. And also my hair broke off. So we're gonna try to fix that today, and I'm praying because I'm really scared now, but we can do this.
So let's go! This is the hair salon I'm going to today, recommended by a friend. It's located in Hongdae. Bye Bye Blonde. First, they actually did 2 test pieces to see how the color will turn out. After the color was confirmed, he did my whole head. We did 50% brown and 50% gray. Then my head got wrapped up with some foil. He told me my natural hair color is either called light brown or cool blonde. I was curious, so I asked. So first we leave in the color for about 15 minutes with heat and then 10 minutes without heat. Here the color looked pretty promising. I also got a hair treatment. I had to be under the hair cap for about 15 minutes and I felt like a dumpling. They also used a straightener to lock in the mask, I suppose. They also offer keratin and moisture treatment. And we're done.
So, and this is my new hair color. I washed it 2 times already, so the color got a little bit lighter. But I think so far so good. Actually, in room light it looks a lot more ashy, and then sunlight it looks a little bit more warm. So yeah, I'm excited to see how it's gonna wash out. But so far I think it looks way better than before. But what do you guys think? Let me show you from behind. I actually lost a lot of hair because of all the bleaching and dyeing process, so don't be shocked. But I really do think they did a great job and I would go again. I will definitely not, I think, dye my hair again anytime soon, but I'm gonna go back maybe for hair treatments or something. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this video and see you guys next time.